Quite an interesting week in entertainment. Let's see what made the Intense 5. Squash is a free man. He recently posted pics with his kids on Instagram, looking happy and glad to be home with them. Skeng is gonna be a daddy again. He and his girlfriend are expecting baby number 2. Congrats, Skeng! So, Nicki Minaj's husband, Kenneth Petty, has been put under house arrest for 120 days for violating terms of his parole after he recorded himself threatening Offset while in the company of someone with a criminal record. Ah boy, clearly he'll just never learn, honestly. Fans of Shenyang can breathe a sigh of relief after the singer was given a clean bill of health. Shenseea had a suspected breast cancer scare, but she's good to go. Glad to hear, Shen. And finally holding the spot this week, Byron Messiah says his song Taliban's is the biggest in dancehall. And there's a difference between big and bad. It hasn't gone down too well with a lot of people though, I'm just saying. But let us know your opinion. But that's it for the Intense 5. Remember, if there's anything you want to see make the list, send a DM to TVJ Intense on IG. Up next, part 1 of a really cool and intense interview with Gramps Morgan. We'll soon forward.